We do not know none of us here are 85 years old. Anybody 85? Nobody. Right? Most of us are less than 48 also here. Right? We do not know what are the physical problems which can arise for a person who has lived for 85 years with heart disease and high blood pressure. He is on anything like 8 to 10 medicines right now. Right? And with all that, and as you can see, he's got hearing aids on both sides. So practically all his organs are in disarray. And yet, his, as you said, Utsaha is the life of the devotee. The life of the devotee is enthusiasm. Right? So, who can be the Lord of Prabhupada? Again, same thing. Almost something like Krishna Prabhupada ऐसा ही हुआ था. Prabhupada we went to at least about 5-6 devotees to play the Lord of Prabhupada. आप करेंगे क्या करेंगे. We went on to, our search was very strong because we knew that we want him to be there, but he may not be able to do it to the extent we want him to do it, right? So let us see about what was the plan B type of करते थे हम लोग. Again by chance.
Plan A B C D E F G होता है.
तो plan बहुत लंबा चला. And yet in the first few meetings where he was not able to really catch the thing because he can't hear too well. Unfortunately, when you get old, even the hearing aids is not an aid. It doesn't work, right? So if you can't even on the stage, you have to hear the music going and the lip sync has to go on. So you are completely tuned into what's happening on the stage and then you speak accordingly, right? But if you don't hear what's happening, how to do it? So our special thanks go in training him to speak that. Where is So one of our devotees, his name is Vasudevamrita Prabhu, right? So he was the assistant, the drama he was there. And he was one who kept on training him to speak. So when to speak, he would speak like this. He would stand like this. And
like we had to figure out how to make
how to give the signal that he should speak in the right time. And then he must start acting in the wrong time. So because scene कुछ ना है, कुछ बोल रहे कुछ है, action कुछ अलग चल रहा है, तो पूरा discordant हो जाएगा. Right? So we trained first. Also Prabhu जब करना है ना, आप खड़े रहने का. You are the assistant. आप ऐसा हाथ पकड़ना और थोड़ा दबा देना खाली.
Solid one. Awesome.
We did twice again Krishna's will factor.
Oh really?
Twice we we came home, we came here, we did the practice and everything. But Prabhuji just couldn't hear and everybody was feeling great anxiety. Yeah, Prabhupada means how would he be able to hear? So we tried to tell him, that Prabhuji आपको difficult होगा तो रहने देते हैं. But he would always hear, हाँ मैं कर लूँगी. So we were trying to say something, but he was always देख मत टेंशन मत लो बेटा मैं कर लूँगा. हो जाएगा मैं करूँगा. ऐसा नहीं प्रभुजी फिटनेस हो नहीं हाँ नो प्रॉब्लम मैं कर लूँगा. I said no, this is what Krishna is saying. Everything. And he was so keen to please Maharaj. So Prabhuji, thank you so much.
Haribo.
प्रभुपाद तो यही होने चाहिए.
When his scene was there, now all the audience started clapping like anything.
Yeah. His presence only when you see the room, it looks Prabhupada is in Prabhupada quarters only.
Yes.
Right. When he said that, everybody started clapping.
Your name will be Gaur Govind Swami.
So we have last time that the range of age group which our dramas are catering to, the entire range of people, of devotees. So the youngest character, I think उसका debut था ना प्रभु जी? Debut. तो उसका first role is now, this is the young Brajabandhu.
Haribo.
So he's 4 years and 4.5 years old, right? And you have 4.5 years old and you have 85 years old.
Hare Krishna.
So that's how beautiful our dramas, they are integral part of our life and it is so beautiful.